morning, Mr. Squidward. So, are you ready?
To go home?
No, to exchange gifts for Employee Brotherhood Day.
Mr. Krabs, you pay me to stand behind this register and take orders and give change. But you could never pay me enough to act brotherly toward that guy.
That attitude of yours is precisely why we're having this little shenanigan. Now pay attention. The lad's got a surprise for you.
Squidward, in honor of Employee Brotherhood, I present to you a gift. Ta-da!
I.
Try it on, Mr. Squidward. It's got you written all over it.
Do you love it?
It's a little itchy. What's this thing made of?
Eyelashes!
Now, may I resume my minimum wage duties?
After you present your Brotherhood gift.
I'll buy the little twerp a gumball.
Oh, no, lad. You know the rules. You have to make the gift.
The only thing I'm making is for the exit.
Is this any better, Squidward? I made this one with my tears.
I knew you'd come around, boy. Make something